Hello, this is Cryptomat. In this video I'm gonna show you a new project, Gaming.io. Remember, you invest at your own responsibility. What is Gaming.io? Computer processing power as a high value commodity. Unknown bets to some, there has been a lack of focus on fully utilizing computational power to render CGI and mine cryptocurrency through advanced blockchain technology. With that being said, the video game industry has exploded over the past 10 years and the computers being used to play these games on are extremely powerful to support each game. Gaming connects the world's largest supply of distributed processing power, which belongs to the 1.3 billion gaming PCs in the global gaming community, with the rapidly growing worldwide demand for massive processing power for CGI rendering and cryptocurrency mining through a simple and efficient platform. Gaming.io is a smart client that uses high-powered gaming computers to automatically mine blockchains for coins and render CGI, and the best part is there is no need for the users to do anything. All this makes it worth of paying attention to this project. It looks professional, but go to the next thing. Gaming's platform is an untapped solution that allows gamers to receive in-game assets as well as passive income just by keeping their computers on. The procedure to render CGI and mining coins is very simple. Gaming.io automatically starts after a designated period of inactivity, and conversely, it automatically runs off when the user resumes work or play on the PC. While the system is running, immense computation power is gathered, stored and used for a variety of rendering processes within the CGI world. It's not limited to just CGI. Computational power is in high demand, and at this short case, everything from nuclear generations to national defense system require computational power. The technology also searches for the best coins in the crypto space that the user's system can handle, and then it converts them into stable coin depending on current data and trends. A solution so simple yet so powerful. Next informations will be: this platform was created when the developers discovered the need for everyday computational power, especially for rendering CGI, and that 9 out of 10 PC gamers found mining cryptocurrency too complicated, or they didn't have time to mine coins manually. Gaming PCs these days are too powerful to not take advantage of their computation power and mining capabilities, so they made a simple program that can get gamers into this space by a click of a button. Vision: computer processing power, high value commodity. To create the world's most powerful decentralized supercomputer by harnessing the dormant computer resources of the global gaming community. Mission: passive autonomic monetization for gamers. To become the Uber of processing power, passively monetizing a gamer's high-powered computer's resources when not in use and rewarding them with the purchasing power to fund their gaming experience. We can be more and more sure of this project due to receiving more reliable information like this. See more info about token. Tokenomics. GMRX is a token with the primary function of being a digital currency to be used on Gaming.io and other associated platforms as the exclusive methods of payment for all transactions. Token sale info coming soon. And we have there a lot of interesting info about token, like token distribution, token sales, Kickstart and community, compound holdings, founders, advisors, see investors. For more information and contact, we can visit Telegram, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube and LinkedIn. Founders. The founders have all known each other for in excess of 15 years. Having worked together in several countries across different continents, the team have extensive experience of solving problems and creating solutions together. I think it's worth being interested in this project. It is interestingly designed and solutions run by a good team with good organization have a chance of success. All links in the description. See you later. Bye.